Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to achieve that flawless finish on your woodworking projects, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about the best orbital sanders on the market. We've tested a variety of models for performance, durability, and ease of use, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. DeWalt Cordless 20V Max Random Orbital Sander. Any DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers, or cabinet makers, whether you're a professional or a weekend hobbyist, should consider the DeWalt Cordless Variable Speed Random Orbital Sander. This 5-inch cordless sander boasts a sleek, compact design for easy handling and offers adjustable speeds ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, making it versatile for various surface tasks. It also comes equipped with a one-handed locking dust bag for effortless, mess-free emptying. The sander uses 5-inch 8-hole hook and loop sanding discs, which facilitate rapid disc changes or replacements. Although this model does not include a battery or charger, it is compatible with DeWalt's 20V Max battery series, allowing those with existing DeWalt batteries to seamlessly integrate this tool into their collection. The design features a dust bag with a collar that is not only easy to attach and detach but also straightforward to empty due to the internal coiled spring. The sander itself is lightweight and compact, yet powerful enough for demanding tasks. It operates smoothly, although we noted that the rubber shroud around the disc was initially loose and interfered with the disc, requiring minor adjustments to fix. Number 2. Bosch ROS 20 VSE Random Orbital Sander/Polisher. For those in need of a reliable light-duty palm sander, consider the Bosch 5-inch Random Orbital Sander/Polisher. This corded model features a robust 2.5 amp motor, offering continuous power and eliminating concerns over battery life. It includes a dust collection cartridge and has a built-in test port for easy vacuum connection. Despite its compact size, this Bosch model does not skimp on functionality. It offers adjustable speeds ranging from 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, allowing users to select the optimal speed for various projects. It utilizes 5-inch hook and loop sanding discs, providing a good balance of coverage and ease of disc changes during work. The unit also boasts a dust-free disc detachment process. Another plus is its affordability, which makes it an excellent value. Although it might feel heavier than some cordless options, the comfortable rubber grip and straightforward speed adjustment enhance its user-friendliness. Pros: comfortable rubber grip, excellent air filter design, affordable price point, easy to change speeds. Cons: it's a little heavy for a palm sander. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Random Orbit Sander. If you're embarking on home remodeling tasks such as installing new cabinets, refinishing floors, adding built-in shelves, or replacing doors, a sander will prove essential for smoothing rough edges and making precise adjustments. For such DIY projects, we recommend the Milwaukee Cordless Sander. This tool operates on an 18-volt battery, not included, and delivers nearly the same power and performance as a corded sander, but without the inconvenience of a cord. The runtime varies based on the amp hours of the battery and usage, but typically, a 3Ah battery provides about half an hour of operation. This random orbital sander accommodates 5-inch pads and offers variable speed control from 7,000 to 12,000 OPM, designed for comfortable handling and reduced vibrations during extended use. However, some users have reported issues with the dust collection box, noting that it detaches easily and can be tricky to empty. While the initial cost may be high due to the separate battery purchase, the investment can be more justifiable if you already own an 18-volt Milwaukee battery or other tools from their cordless range. Number 4. Makita XOB01Z18V Random Orbit Sander. For projects where mobility is key and power outlets are limited, the Makita 5-inch Random Orbit Sander is an excellent choice. This model is powered by Makita's 18-volt batteries and comes packaged with a 50 amp-hour battery, offering up to 65 minutes of sanding time on the lower speed setting and 32 minutes on the higher setting. It also includes a charger and a carrying bag for convenience. The sander features 3 adjustable speed settings: 7,000, 9,500, and 11,000 OPM, catering to various sanding needs. Although it lacks an extra handle, its design is compact enough for comfortable one-handed operation. It comes equipped with a dust collection bag and utilizes 5-inch 8-hole hook and loop sanding discs for efficient operation. On the downside, it is somewhat taller than some other models, which could affect handling. The control buttons are also somewhat unintuitively marked with 0-4 off and 1-2, 3-4 on/ speed changes, which might initially confuse users. However, the dust bag's easy removal feature is a plus, helping to manage dust effectively without the mess common in other models. Pros: cordless portability allows for sanding anywhere, comes with a large battery for a longer runtime. Cons: it's a little tall for a palm sander. Number 5. Black + Decker 20V Max Cordless Random Orbital Sander. If you're looking for an affordable sanding tool, the Black Plus Decker 20V Max Random Orbital Sander stands out. This 5-inch sander includes a 20V15A lithium-ion battery, a charger, and a detachable dust collection system. It's lightweight at just over 3 pounds and is designed with a molded rubber grip to enhance comfort and reduce fatigue during use. The Black Plus Decker sander features a hook and loop system for the sanding discs, which makes it easy to quickly swap out discs that are worn. Although it operates at a single, relatively high speed, the ease of changing sanding discs allows for some adjustment in how aggressively you sand or remove finishes. It may be a bit less powerful compared to others, and the dust collection system isn't the strongest, but its other features more than compensate. The grip is ergonomically pleasing, and the size and weight balance make it very comfortable, particularly when sanding vertically. It lacks variable speed settings, but it still performs effectively for a range of sanding tasks. Pros: 12,000 OPM top speed, affordable price point, allows for quick sanding disc changes. Cons: only one speed, but it is fast.